Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to connect Google Search Console to Wix. So first, what you're going to do here is open or launch your Wix and look for a specific site right here. This is the dashboard of your site, and all you have to do is you have to look for site and mobile app. Here, you have to look for website and SEO and then tap on SEO. Here on the SEO section, you have to scroll down and definitely you will see this connect your Wix to Google Console. All you have to do is to click this one to set up. If your site is already optimized, you can tap on connect to your Google Console directly. But if you haven't set up your Wix, you need to tap this SEO setup checklist. So as you can see, if you have set up already or optimized, you can just simply connect. But if you haven't, you need to follow the SEO setup checklist here. So what you're going to do here is you have to read the following and tap on get started. Now you have to follow everything here like adding your brand or business name. Select on any option right here, depends on your business, and then tap on next. Add some keywords to use on your site's checklist. And then after that, you can now proceed with setting up your SEO checklist. You have to follow this one. You have to add this information. These are indeed very important in order for you to set up your SEO. Once you're done with this and once you have entered all the information needed, then you can definitely connect your Wix to your Google Search Console. So basically, that's how easy it is. Just follow this one. Once done, you can now connect Google Search Console to Wix. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.